Welcome back to the class. Today we will do suffixes da and sa. Suffixes da and sa. Suffixes da and sa work as vowel dengbo. For example, sakata, sakata ka da ke, sakata ka da ke, because da works as vowel dengbo. So sakata ka da ke, sakata ka da ke is a language or languages. Ke. If you want to say Tibetan language, pö ke. Sa kata ka da ke, pö ke. Ka yata kya, ka yata kya, kya da. Kayata is nothing new. We have learned it earlier. Kayata kya, but suffix da is something new we are learning today. Kayata kya da, and we know suffix da works as vowel dengbo. So kayata kya da ke, para par ke par. Kayata kya da ke, para par ke par. Kayata kya da ke, para par ke par. Difference. Difference. Ke par. Kayata kya da ke, para par ke par. Difference. And if you see something like this in a text, then kayata kya da ke. Every time you see da as a suffix, think it as a vowel dengbo. Kayata kya da ke, para par, da du, ke par du. If you see something like this in a text, it means ke par du means in particular, particularly, ke par du. But in spoken, if we say ke par, difference. What is the difference? Ke par kare yore. What is the difference? Ke par kare yore. What is the difference? Ke par kare yore. Kate. Kalatak. Kalatak, we know Kalatak is to be read as la. Kalatak la. Suffix da. Da as a suffix. We are learning da as a suffix. Kalata la da, and we know it works as vowel dengbo. Kalata la da le pa. Le pa. lepa, brain. Ka lata la da le pa, lepa. Ka lata la da le pa, lepa. Chik, mi, sum, shi. We have to pronounce all of these together. Because we don't see a dot in between this and the. So, sa patak, we know this from before. Sa patak pa. Pa ratak ta. Ta. Sa pata pa pa ratak ta. Da. Da works as vowel. Dengbo. Sa pata pa pa ratak ta. Ta da te. Sa pata pa pa ratak ta da te. Sa pata pa pa ratak ta da te. Te is a verb to give. Te. Give. To give. Sa pata pa pa ratak da te. And then we know whatever rule suffix da takes, the same rule can be applied for suffix sa. For example, ra gata ga. Ra gata ga. We know this from before, and what we are learning new today is suffix sa, and we know whatever rules suffix that takes, same can be applied for suffix sa. So ra gata ga sa ge. Again, it works as dingbo. Ra gata ga sa ge. Ra gata ga sa ge. Ra gata ga sa ge. Nga. Sa. Nga. And if the suffix is sa, we know that sa works as vowel dingbo. Nga sa nye. Nga sa nye. Nga sa nye. Technically, it is nga sa nye means by I, by me, by I. So if sa is added to a noun or pronoun or proper noun, it shows that whatever is before sa is the subject of the sentence. So to whichever pronoun, proper noun, or a noun, to whatever sa is added, it shows that the word in front of it, pronoun or proper noun or the noun, is the subject of the sentence. Ne. Na and suffix sa. Now we know that suffix sa works as vowel dingbo. So na sa ne. Na sa ne. Na sa ne. Ne means from. From India, Jagarne. From Nepal, Pelulne. From England, Inulne. Ne, from. Nasa ne, from. La, suffix sa. Suffix sa works as vowel dingbo. La sa le. La sa le. La sa le. La sa le. Karma. In Sanskrit they say karma, the action. The action you did. Le. Le, you, de. Karma, cause and effect. Karma, the action you performed. The action, karma, the act. La sa le. There should be a prefix here, but I'm skipping it because I haven't introduced it yet, so no reason to confuse you. So I'm skipping the prefix. So la sa, we know la sa. If the suffix is sa, it works as vowel dingbo. La sa le. Ra gata ga. Ga yata gya. Gya shapchu gyu. Ra gata ga. Ga yata gya. Gya shapchu gyu. Cause. Karma. The action. Gyu. Cause. The cause of action. The cause of action. So, action. You did something. Let's say you did something bad. For example, you scolded someone. This is your action. The cause of your action is hatred. Bharata dasa de. Karma, cause and effect, the result. And what will happen if you scold someone or if you do something wrong, the result. Karma, cause, ra gata ga, ga yata ga, ga satchu gyu. The reason why you did it. The reason and the consequence, the effect, the result. Bharata dasa de. Le gyu de. La sa le. Ra gata ga. Ga yata ga. Ga satchu gyu. Bharata dasa de. Le gyu de. There should be a prefix here, but I'm skipping it because I haven't yet introduced the prefix, so it will confuse you. So, la sa le, ra gata ga, ga yata ga, ga satchu gyu, ba rata da sa de le gu de le gu de le gu de. Parata, parata ta, ta da works as vowel dingbo. Parata ta da te, parata ta da te, parata ta da te. So in brief, the same rule, if the suffix is da or sa, it works as vowel dingbo. And it is applicable to all the consonants. Sa kata ka da ke, ka yata kya da ke, ka lata la da le, sa pa da pa rata ta da te, ra gata ga sa ge, nga sa nge, na sa ne, la sa le, ra gata ga yata ga satu gu, ba rata da sa de, pa rata ta da te. Ca, ca da, ce, ca da, ce. So, yeah, while we are having this lesson, you might find it easy, but you have to get used to it. Otherwise, the possibilities is you might say ka lata la da lad, na sa nas, la sa las. So so every time you come across a word with having suffix sa or da, you must keep in your mind that it works as vowel dingbo. And you will have to listen. You will have to listen to it over and again, and you have to repeat it several times so that it will stick to your mind. So this was for today. I hope you enjoyed the class, and see you later.